Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today on the breakdown we are going to look at DHCP flooding attack. So in my simple topology over here I have my ISP, I have my FortiGate router or the FortiGate firewall, and I also have my attacking machine connecting all these clients on the same network through the switch. And let me open, I have a DHCP server running on the FortiGate firewall. So on the interface, you can see I have two DHCP clients on the network right now. So I'm going to open my attacking machine. And before that, I'm going to start a capture on this interface so that we see what is going on. Okay, so there's a lot going on, and I'm going to filter for DHCP protocol. And at the moment, there is no traffic for DHCP running. Okay, so let me bring my attacking machine. So this is my attacking machine. Let me close it. Right, so I'm going to use a tool called Senior. So as you can see, we have a few DHCP traffic running through our network. Okay. So I'm going to start Senior in graphical mode. Okay, so I'm going to launch the attack. So I go to launch attacks. I'm going to select DHCP and I'm going to send discover packet. So side by side, I'm going to bring the capture over here and then take a look at the firewall. Sorry. On the firewall is currently not busy, but then when we start the attack, it's going to overwhelm the DHCP server, which is the FortiGate firewall, with a lot of DHCP discover packets. So numerous IPs, or let's say numerous DHCP offer requests will be sent to the FortiGate firewall, which happens to be our gateway. And then when the traffic becomes a lot over, when the firewall is overburdened by the traffic, overwhelmed by the traffic, the firewall will begin to act abnormally, to freeze, and then it will not be accessible, and then these clients will not be able to get an IP address from the FortiGate firewall. In other words, the FortiGate firewall will not be able to respond to legitimate DHCP offer packets. Okay, so I'm going to start the attack and notice what will happen here. Let me increase the size. And as you can see, there are a lot of DHCP offer. So this is sending to the broadcast and asking for DHCP or IP from the DHCP server. Meanwhile, the attacking machine is not responding. So it's just sending a lot of requests to the DHCP server. They are offer packets asking for IP addresses. Meanwhile, these are forged packets and the response will not go anywhere. So ideally, DHCP is supposed to send an offer, but then the server is busy responding to DHCP discover packets. So I'm going to stop the attack and then we analyze. So let's check the firewall to see the state of the firewall. So let me refresh. Okay, so as you can see, the firewall is very busy responding to requests. So let me stop the attack. So I'm going to stop the attack. Stop. Stop all. Okay. So now you can see the DHCP server is reloading, right? So now the server is free now. So as you can see, now the server is free and then it's able to load. Now back to Wireshark, let's analyze what really went on. So we have over 62,000 IP, DHCP offer requests from attacking machine to um, the DHCP server, which happens to be our gateway. Now, this is very serious because for an interface to respond to over 63,000 DHCP discover packets, it will get the device overwhelmed because it will involve a lot of processing. So this is what really goes on when an attacker sends DHCP um, offer attack, or let's say DHCP flag attacks for discover packet. So the attacker will basically flood the DHCP server with numerous DHCP discover packets, and then the gateway or the DHCP server will be overwhelmed because of the number of requests is receiving and processing at the same time. So thanks for watching this video and see you in my next video.